What is up, guys? This is JT, and I got one of these Ridgid 6-gallon air compressor and 3-tool combo kit. Let's see what's in it. Instructions on all your different ones. Okay, that's gonna be okay right away. The compressor's here. Here's your hose. And I bet all the guns are in here. Oh yeah. We got 16 gauge. It's just right there on top. And then we've got 18 gauge crown stapler. They go in here pretty tight. I have one of these already, and they're good guns. I do not have Ridgid 16 gauge or the crown stapler, but now we do. Just a short little unboxing to show you what's in here. That was like that. Slide that out of the way. And then you get the really nice Ridgid compressor. I have one of these already. It's a very nice unit. Never had any issues with it. Sometimes it does leak down when it's sitting for a long time, but never really had too many issues with it. But this guy right here, 16 gauge. This is probably a pretty good gun. Not sure how you load it. I guess you slide the nails in, pull it back, and then it locks in. Yep, and it's got rapid fire and single fire. There's rapid fire. And yeah, that's just a real quick unboxing. Make sure you go through and read about the different tools, and make sure you get your tools registered so that you can get that lifetime warranty. But now I gotta find a place to put this, so I'm actually gonna put it back in the box. Just like that. I guess you don't need to see the rest, but I'll film some more videos of the tools separately so we can see how good they are.